Hello, this is Pankaj Kumar Sinha. In this video, we will discuss about functions of lysosome. So let's start the topic. Okay, so first function is intracellular digestion. First one is intracellular digestion. In this segment, we will discuss two types of intracellular digestions takes place. So first one is heterophagy. This is digestion of foreign particle, foreign particle received in cell by phagocytosis or pinocytosis. Second intracellular digestion is autophagy. In this segment, basically dead cells or old dead cell particle and old cell organelles digested by the help of lysosome. Digestion of old and dead cell organelle. Dead cell organelles. Okay, this process takes place at the time of starvation of cell. This phenomena or this process occur at the time of starvation of cell. Okay, next function extracellular digestion. Extracellular digestion. extracellular digestion. In this segment, we will discuss about osteoclast. Osteoclast means bone-eating cells. Okay. So, digestion of unwanted parts of bone by the help of lysosome of osteoclast. Osteoclast, bone eating cell. Okay, so we have discussed about heterophagy, autophagy in intracellular digestion, and extracellular digestion of unwanted parts of bone by the help of lysosome of osteoclast. Okay, so next function. Next function is crinophagy. In this type of digestion, extra granular part of hormone with the help of lysosome. Okay. Then next function, fourth one is cellular digestion or autolysis. Cellular digestion, or it is also called autolysis. In such type of digestion all lysosome of a cell burst and cell become dead. Okay. Cellular digestion. So In the segment of functions of lysosome, we have discussed four functions. First one is intracellular digestion, second extracellular digestion, third crinophagy, and fourth one is autolysis. In the autolysis, all lysosomes burst and cells become dead. Okay. Then we will discuss some important terms related to lysosome. Lysosome stabilizer. Stabilizer. Some compounds involved in stabilize the membrane of lysosome, because lysosome, if lysosome become burst, then all cell organelles are ruptured and dead. Prevent or promote stabilize the membrane of lysosome for prevention of breaking of lysosome. Okay, so example: cholesterol, chloroquine, cortisone, etc. Second, lysosome leveler. Some compound levelize the membrane of lysosome for promoting the breakdown membrane of lysosome. Okay. So lysosome levelizer is some example here: vitamin A, D, E, K, UV radiation, progesterone and testosterone, etc. So in this video we have discussed some important terms, and okay, one terms biogenesis of lysosome. Biogenesis of lysosome. So what is the process of which type of cell organelle involved in the formation of lysosome? So in this segment we will discuss biogenesis of lysosome. So here endoplasmic reticulum, reticulum, Golgi body, and then lysosome. So here we can say that lysosome originates from GERL, Golgi associated endoplasmic reticulum, from which lysosome arise. Okay, so in this video we have discussed about some important terms related to lysosome and functions of lysosome. So we will discuss some next topic in the next video. Okay, thank you.